Discover the essentials of copywriting with Copywriting Start Here, Copywriting Fundamentals Explained. Are you eager to dive into the world of copywriting, but unsure where to begin? Copywriting Start Here, Copywriting Fundamentals Explained is the perfect starting point for anyone looking to master the art of persuasive writing. This comprehensive guide breaks down the essential principles of copywriting, making it accessible and easy to understand for beginners and professionals alike. In Copywriting Start Here, you'll uncover the secrets to crafting compelling copy that captures attention and drives action. From understanding your audience to mastering the power of words, this book covers all the fundamentals you need to become a successful copywriter. Each chapter is filled with practical tips, real-world examples, and actionable exercises to help you hone your skills and apply what you've learned. What sets this book apart is its focus on the psychology behind effective copywriting. You'll learn how to tap into the emotions and motivations of your readers, creating messages that resonate deeply and inspire trust. Whether you're writing for websites, emails, advertisements, or social media, these insights will transform your approach and boost your results. Copywriting Start Here is more than just a theoretical guide. It's a hands-on workbook designed to help you practice and perfect your copywriting techniques. With step-by-step instructions and interactive exercises, you'll gain confidence and proficiency in no time. The book also includes valuable resources such as checklists, templates, and sample copy to guide you along the way. Written by an experienced copywriting expert, this book is packed with insider knowledge and industry best practices. You'll benefit from the author's years of experience and learn how to avoid common pitfalls and mistakes. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or aspiring copywriter, this book will equip you with the tools you need to succeed. Don't let the fear of starting hold you back. Copywriting Start Here, Copywriting Fundamentals Explained is your go-to resource for building a solid foundation in copywriting. By the end of this book, you'll have the skills and confidence to create persuasive, impactful copy that drives results and achieves your goals. Take the first step towards becoming a copywriting pro. Get your copy of Copywriting Start Here, Copywriting Fundamentals Explained today and embark on your journey to mastering the art of persuasive writing. Your readers and your bottom line will thank you. Download it now.